Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your Redmi 13. The first thing you can do to speed up your Redmi 13 is going into security, either through the icon on your home screen or by searching for the app by entering the search function by swiping like such, then searching for security. Then opening the app, and in here you can go into boost speed, where it will perform a scan, after which you can clear the cache of your phone, which should help, of course, boost the phone's speed. Your performance might also be hindered by your phone being close to full storage. So you can try going into cleaner, and if it detects any trash, you can delete that. You can also try performing a deep clean, where it's going to show you a few things. Like, let's see, for example, uninstall apps, where it will automatically sort by size, and you can pick the apps you don't want and then uninstall them. Say we don't want these apps, so just uninstall, and after it's done, another thing you can try doing is, of course, performing a security scan. Give me a second. Performing a security scan right here, to see if maybe you don't have any viruses that could be decreasing performance. And you can also try looking into battery saver settings, because if you have battery saver enabled, of course the performance of your phone is going to be decreased. You can go into battery and then look at the current mode. If it's set to battery saver, of course performance of your phone is going to be limited. So you want to set it to balanced. Some phones have a performance setting, but as you can see, this one does not. You can also try looking into battery checkup to see maybe apps that could be draining battery and other things like this. But that's not necessary. One another thing you could look at is if you feel your screen isn't being too smooth. You can go into display and brightness. In here, scroll down to refresh rate and see if maybe your refresh rate isn't set to 60. And you can set it to default, but if you feel this is insufficient, you can go into custom and then set it to 90 Hz. This way it's going to, at the cost of higher battery usage, make your phone screen refresh a bit faster. And that's it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.